shit that I do.
Guys, so I wanted to go on here and show you a brief little recap, well, tell you a brief little recap of 2019. It was one of the most rewarding years I've had in a very long time, but also at the end, one of the most painful years I've had like ever. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to share with you some moments that I went through and achieved and everything like that. So it's going to be positive, it's going to be negative, it's going to be hurtful, it's going to be everything, and it's going to be what I want 2020 to bring me. So if you want to know more about me, listen to this video as well as subscribe to my channel so we can connect, be friends. You can see more me, more makeup, more Micaylah, more everything. So definitely subscribe at the button down below if you're new here. Thank you for watching. And if you're a returning subscriber, hi. Let me know in the button. So let me know in the description down below what your 2020 goals are and we can chat. We can just chat. So we're gonna try to start from January. So my memory is a little bit foggy because of what happened in August, which when I get to August, we'll get to it. So January, I wasn't in a good headspace. I had just got out of a long 8-year relationship with someone a couple months before that, and I was just not like, I was damaged. I wasn't really as bad as I used to be because I had went through counseling, but I was pretty much a wreck. Like absolute wreck. It wasn't a good experience. I appreciate all the good times we did have, but it just didn't work out. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm not gonna throw the person on the bus. I could discuss what we went through. It just, we grew up and we just grew apart. So there's more to it, but that's what basically it was. And I need coffee. And basically I had reunited with my middle school boyfriend, like middle school through high school boyfriend. We are now together. We've been dating a year and a few days because our anniversary was last December. Well, this December, last week. And I bought us 2 stars next to each other in the sky. And then he got me this blanket that has all my friends' faces on it and some influencers that inspire me, as well as Kylie Jenner and myself on there. And then he cooked me my favorite dish, which is salmon, broccoli, and everything like that. The reason I'm telling you this is because January it started, and basically he's what made me get through everything. So, and then he got me this beautiful bouquet of roses. Like, it took my breath away. They were orange, and orange I guess means passion, and I'm not going to tell you what he told the florist because of the fact that it is very inappropriate. But I know he watches my videos. He's like the first one to comment all the time. But he does music. He's an electrician, everything like that. I want to get him on my channel one day. My sister adores him. My dad adores him. My grandma adores him. My mom likes him. He's just a really good fit for our family. He's really into his feelings, and I think I needed that from somebody. I'm still like, don't be out on me 24/7, but it's because I'm not used to that. And that's just the way I am. Hopefully I can get over it. But last January was really, really new. I think I was scared more than anything, so basically that's what January brought me. I was scared. And then February, it was my mom's birthday. Me and Dennis took her to get breakfast from Kiki's Breakfast Cafe. I have an itch on my face, but yeah, she had a good time. It was simple, it was cute. February, I don't know. And then we had Valentine's Day, which we didn't really do anything special. Oh yeah, he did. He cooked me lobster tail for Valentine's Day, and we went public in February. I was gonna wait until Valentine's Day, but I think we did it a couple days beforehand. So we went public about our relationship, and everybody was like, oh my god, you guys are back together. Oh my gosh, we've been waiting for this for so long. So that's what February was. I don't really, it's not, that month, the first 3 months was mostly me trying to get used to my new life and try to be me. And I was working for Curls at the time, but I'm not sure. Oh, how do I forget about this? I got surgery February 20th. You may notice that I don't sound all like anymore. I haven't been sick in my videos, nothing like that. I had a tonsillectomy, and I will link right here my warning. There's photos of the healing process, but I will link all that stuff up there. I am still having a little bit of a problem with my voice. It cracks a lot now, but I don't get sick. I can eat hot stuff again. I'm not constantly getting strep. What else? I don't know. I just feel I feel better. Like, I feel so much better. And thank you, Dr. Badon Burgos. Don Burgos did my surgery if you're in my area. He was very good. The healing process took about 4 months for me not to be in pain anymore. The first day, you mentally have to be prepared for the pain, and no one mentally prepared me for that. It was bad. Surgery was really quick, really easy. But basically it changed my life. Like literally my life changed the first 3 months of this year. Like I can't, like if I get like a sniffle, I'm like, what are y'all guys complaining about? Because I had like strep for like 6 months. It was bad. Like I was like, the last time I got a fever of 102, 103 almost, it was bad. And that's when she's like, yeah, you gotta get surgery. You're gonna get those out right now. So basically that's what happened in February. March, I was trying to get back in the swing of things because March is when I went back to work. I went back to work for Curls, which I don't work for them anymore because I'll get into that. Nothing bad happened. It was just too much. Basically March was just like about me getting back into the swing of things and healing still. So I didn't do much in March. April, I turned 25. My mom took me to the Sea Life Aquarium in Orlando. How did I forget that? Orlando, I live like 30 minutes away from there. And then we went to 0 Degrees and got some Asian American food and drinks, and I really want to go back there. I do. But and then the next day on my birthday, I think it was, yeah, on my birthday, that night, my dad took me and my boyfriend and my siblings out to eat. I forgot where we even went. I can't remember. I think it was Applebee's. I'm not sure. I can't remember. I'm gonna have to look at photos. But basically that's where we went, and then we went to see my grandparents, and yeah, and then I went home, and then the next day me and my sister went to the Tampa Zoo. I had hay fever all day. Oh, in March I got let me go backwards. In March I got my crested gecko regal. And then in April, that same day, I got, April 20th for my birthday, I got myself Maven, which is my other crested gecko. I have 3 reptiles at the moment. I'm wanting to get a 4th, but I'm trying to figure out which one I want. It's either going to be a Bronia or a blue-tongued skink. I'm not sure which one, but yeah, they're my babies. I got Maven in April, the day that I had hay fever. It was so horrible at zoo. I will never go back. It was amazing, but I just couldn't go back because all of this, that was horrible. Hay fever is horrible if you ever had it. May, I don't remember May. I don't really remember May. And I'll let you guys know why I'm forgetting stuff so bad. We're getting close to it. June. Nothing really happened in June either, or July. Actually in May, we had an Urban Decay meetup. So we went to an Urban Decay event and we had unlimited drinks and it was an arcade. So good. June, nothing happened. July, nothing happened. It was just basic work, filming, resting, because I'm still recovering from surgery. Like it takes a year to heal. Like sometimes it still hurts. Then we get into August. It was good. It was good. We get to my granddad's birthday. Me and I begged my boss to go see him for his birthday. I was like, for some reason I just need to. Like, I need to get off early and go see him for his birthday. So she let me do that. And I went to pick up my boyfriend and we went to go see him and we had an amazing time. Like, he was so happy, so joyful, like he always is. 4 days later, I get off of work. I go spend my night at my boyfriend's house and everything. I get this phone call from my sister and she's like crying. I'm like, oh goodness. Like I had something in my head already. I'm like, oh, it's happening again, whatever. She said my grandfather's not breathing and like they're doing CPR in my grandma's house. After that, I know I ripped off some foot peels and I just like, I don't know, I lost it. I lost, like, I was not here. Like all I did was call my mom and then after that I don't really remember. I got my cousin Kristen to the hospital. Like I had to get in contact with her because she was kind of far. And then we come up to the hospital, they pronounce him gone and goodness, no. And then, yeah, it's been different ever since. So I took like another 2 weeks off of work just about. I work for hospice, so that was kind of hard because I was constantly reminded of that. And I eat, sleep, and breathe my grandparents. Like they are like my everything. And when I was mute for 9.5 years of my life. And they were the first 2 I talked to over the phone. Like they were the first 2 I wanted to talk to. They needed to hear my voice, so I could talk to my granddaddy first, then my grandma. And I've had a bond with them ever since I started talking to them. And I don't know. So yeah, it's like I lost my best friend basically. Like, I know my grandma's like, I know y'all love me, but you were granddaddy's girl. Yes. Yes. That was like literally me and him are so much alike. Like, I want to lead with love like he taught me and everything like that. So that happened. And then a couple days later, my cousin Marcus is on life support, trying to get him better. Then the day after, get a call, my cousin Helen died. So September 7th, granddaddy's funeral. September 14th, Marcus's funeral. September 21st, Helen's funeral. So September was so hard for me, and it was my sister's birthday, so I was trying to be strong for her too, just to make sure she had a good time. Like, but I was exhausted, and that's probably, my videos, thank God I had content because I couldn't even film. I couldn't do nothing. And I tried to film. I filmed 2 videos, I think. And they were like really, really bad quality. Like I couldn't. Like, oh, and I started keto like hardcore in August and September too. I've lost 30 pounds. If you can tell, I lost 30 pounds in my face. So I've gained like 5 back, but I'm basically still on keto. October comes and I was trying to get like normal, but nope, can't be normal. November comes. I'm excited for Thanksgiving. I'm excited for everything, but it's still hard because of the fact that I lost my grandparents, like my granddaddy. So basically that's all done. I'm just trying to be there for my grandma and my sister and everything like that, and my dad. I'm just trying to be strong for everybody, but I can't keep doing that because it's not letting me mourn. My job did make me 2 teddy bears out of his shirts for me, and I don't know, it's a lot. Like, so that's why on social media, I'm not consistent right now. I probably don't talk to some of you guys that I usually talk to like that. I'm really hard to get in contact with. I'm just like not myself. So basically that's what that is about. And yeah, so basically I went from trying to heal, and then I went from trying to heal again. And that brings us into December, which is now, and I'm still trying to heal. I'm still trying to get through it. I'm trying to be there. I'm trying not to like get caught up in he's not here anymore. I'm trying to say that he's still with me. I'm trying to like just ground myself and stay present. Very hard. As you can see, I'm trying to keep it together, but I haven't really spoke about this yet. Like, I don't know. It's just like, it was so unexpected. And I know he would slap the crap out of me and whoop me for being like I am, but it's hard. It's really difficult, you guys. So that's why I say thank you guys for being so patient with me and letting me get through this in a healthy way. Oh, well, I can't say a healthy way because I'm suppressing a lot. I don't know, but yeah, my 2019, I'm ready for it to be over so I can like grow, because I felt like I grew a little bit and then got knocked down almost back to where I started. So I'm still trying to get up here. I'm more confident. I'm more creative. I'm more self-conscious of doing for myself, even though I still do for other people more. But yeah, basically that is my 2019 in a lump sum. I don't know what else to tell you guys. Okay, my 2020 goals. Healing mentally is like my top thing right now because I need to. If you guys saw me in person, you'd be like, are you okay? Because like I look empty. Like, I look so empty. And then to continue keto, my goal is to get down to at least 140, 135. I'm at 149 right now. And then I really want to be more talking to you guys in my content. That's what I'm gonna try to do. I'm trying to be more creative with my content, not just makeup tutorials. So that is what I want to do as well. I already changed my hair, so that's not gold no more. I went like platinum and like a brown color. I don't know. That's basically it for me at this moment. I can't think, but I just want to give you a life update and like try to like recap my life, because honestly, I'm having a really hard time remembering stuff. So yeah. Another goal, my brand. My brand launches January 1st. It's called Hidden Jewel Cosmetics. I'll link it down below. And it's basically glitter. I'll do a whole video on it whenever I can get around to it, because it's really, really difficult to like, I don't have time management right now. So I'm trying to do that as well. So that is another thing I need to work on. Time management, getting to my goal weight, and being more creative with my content in 2019, and healing in 2020. We in 2020. All that stuff in 2020. I'm sorry. Like, I just but yeah. And I want to kind of just get my life together. Like, I want to do more for me. So I'm trying. So we'll see if I can do that. If not this year, maybe next year, you know, I don't know. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below what your 2020 goals are. Like I said, I do want to get another reptile. I am trying to figure out which one I want, because I want, like, there's so many I want, but I'm trying to be like, which one can I take care of right now? With me being in the state of mind. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you want your 2020 goals to be, or what you went through in 2019 that you want to talk about. Or DM me on Instagram if you want to chat or anything like that. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video, which will be in 2020, you guys. We hit another decade. So bless up, stay grinding, and continue to be you. Okay? Because I'm going to work on that too. All right, guys. Bye.